Hello, Vikram.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, Venu here. Extremely sorry from my end. I tried. I'm trying for the past 15 minutes. Something. I mean, I'm getting some error, invalid meeting ID. Then Karthik he just
Mm,
called me and given the right meeting ID. Sorry for the delay.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Uh, can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Yeah. Am I audible properly?
yeah, it's audible.
Yeah, that's great. Uh, then if you can introduce your MBA graduate in 2005, specialized in marketing. After my graduation, after my MBA, I worked for around 2 years in sales, and I got good exposure how a sales will happen in a uh, FMCG company. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then accordingly, I got an opportunity to enter into SAP with L&T Mumbai as a uh, fresher. I mean to say corporate employee.
Okay.
Management trainee. They just hired me as a management trainee. That's how my career started in SAP. Somehow they expected a CRM project, and they trained me on CRM. Luckily, we got that project, and I get into the project for about 3 months as a shadow resource, and then
Mm,
continued as, initially with support project. My total years of experience, it is 6 years in SAP, 2 years in sales. Out of 6 years,
okay.
I have one implementation in CRM and two support projects in CRM. And at the same time, you can say me as a solution manager consultant. That is one of the SAP product. I hope you must be knowing. And I have one implementation experience in a solution manager as well. That's all. Throughout my
Okay.
career, I worked almost four clients. Uh,
Okay.
Now I'm working with L&T as a team lead, managing 6 to 7 team members.
Okay.
Yeah. Coming
Good.
back, you are enrolling with us on with the help of Maxsoft, Max Online.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, this is one of the service provider, and I'm dealing with a couple of companies. This is one of the company where
Okay.
they are giving good corporate trainings or the online trainings. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Karthik, can you make me presenter? I can see a Karthik screen. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, presenter view.
Yeah. That's great. Coming to my experience, I will actually I have a small issue with Microsoft Word showing some error from yesterday. I need to fix it
Okay.
up. Anytime,
Yeah.
anyway, I will just use a notepad to maintain the DS because I cannot able to change anything in that right now. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my CRM experience, which includes one support and one implementation to support projects, out of
Yeah.
which base customization, marketing,
Okay.
sales, middleware, web UI. In implementation and in support projects, it consists of your the above modules along with service and
Okay.
web channel. Okay, along with this implementation.
Okay.
Okay. If I understood you correctly, you have a basic knowledge of SAP first. and then coming back, you have an ABAP knowledge. Okay. What's exactly your motto attending this demo? Because unless I understand you correctly, your requirement, I cannot promise I will deliver whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm looking my career into SAP as a SAP functional side.
SAP CRM functional.
Yeah.
You want, I mean, you are looking for a career in this, fine.
Yeah.
Because why I'm asking you or stressing much on this, because I'm a CRM certified consultant. I take three different types of trainings basically. One is a certification program.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then second one.
Yeah. This coming to the second one. It is like a person who is already working in SD or an ABAP, a techno-functional. If they want to learn CRM and they want to place themselves as a techno-functional or the cross-functional knowledge, then for them, CRM basic level training.
Okay.
Because most of the project managers or most of the SD consultants, technical consultants, they enroll with me for the second type of training. If they are looking for certification, I'm a C_TCRM 2070. 70 is nothing but 7.0. I'm certified in this. Now latest 7.2 it is there.
Okay.
Certification, that is
I mean,
a separate
you certified in you certified in which model?
CRM.
Yes, yeah, there are different models, no? Each model you are certified?
Right. This is a basic level. If it is a advanced level, there are two different kinds of certifications. One is a basic level. The second is like a marketing, a sales, a service.
Okay.
Okay. I'm certified in this basic level, TCRM 2070. If anyone want to do advanced level, let us take sales certification, you cannot write directly, even though you have 10 years in CRM experience.
Okay.
Are you getting me? This is a mandatory thing nowadays. Yeah.
Okay.
Coming back,
career in SAP CRM functional, not certification or not cross-functional knowledge.
That's what. I'm looking the exact requirement from you. The third level training, different type of training is nothing but CRM advanced level training. Somebody is already working in CRM who doesn't have any implementation experience, or a person who is looking for a job. Who is looking for advanced level training where the client scenarios are discussed, so that the main motto of the student is to crack the interview to get into the company. For them, the basic level training, it will not help. Basic level training, it is like understanding each and every topic with one example. But if it is advanced level training, I will tell one of my client thing. I mean, I will take the scenario, I will explain him, and I will try to make him to attend the interviews. And obviously, one thing I'm make you sure, I'm not going to give any job assurance, or even I don't think Max Online they will say they can give you a job. We can guide. I can give you some profiles, dummy profiles. I can, if you want, I can arrange a mock interview once I complete the training. But never ever we commit something which we cannot deliver. That is sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Because after attending my training, I cannot say 100% you will be in a job. But I can say whatever the thing I explain, you will understand. You will attend the interview, and you will try from your end to crack the interview.
Okay. Okay.
Because right now, just 2 days before I started with this particular training, there were 2 students from US and 2 students from India.
Okay. Fine.
They recently just started.
Oh, okay, good.
Okay, you can say this is an advanced level job oriented training. Now tell me what's your requirement once again.
So yeah, I'm looking for complete configuration, CRM configuration. What are the modules is there? Say base customization, sales, service, marketing, and web BI.
Okay,
And
that's great.
And middleware.
Okay, you mean to say the advanced level job oriented training?
Yeah, that's
Yep, because the course curriculum and the structure, each and everything, it is totally different. That's where in the demo itself I will just clarify the student requirement. Accordingly I will just plan, because at the end of the day whatever you expected you should get, and your main goal or the main motto of attending the training, it should fulfill.
Yes, that should be.
Fine?
Yeah, that should be.
And I do not want to run the slideshows, and I do not want to explain the PPT first, because you already know what is SAP and what is an ABAP. That's where I will give you a live example. I will try to explain how whole CRM functionality will work. Is that fine with you? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because if you want me to tell what is SAP, what is system landscape from scratch you want, just let me know. Otherwise you want to directly enter what is CRM, what is the main motto of CRM, how the functionalities of each and every module, then I will directly come and I will explain. What's your...
Directly, shall I enter?
Sorry, I didn't get you. You want me to start with what is SAP, what is the full form of SAP, what is CRM, what is the main importance of CRM, then come back, to this, or directly start with CRM? Vikram, am I clear from my end? Because somebody, they do not have full knowledge of what is SAP, then I will tell the full form of SAP and I will try to start from the scratch. Yeah. Karthik, Vikram is showing offline. Could you please connect or try what exactly call him. What is the issue? Vikram, are you there? Hello, Vikram, are you there?
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yeah, who is this?
The second sir, this is Lakshmi. I'll check with Kiran, okay? Just wait a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, net some problem.
Yeah. Fine. Now you can able to see my screen and listen properly, right?
Yeah, I am able to hear.
Fine. Then I will just start the demo part. As you already aware of what is the full form of
Okay.
SAP and the basic thing, I will directly start by giving one example so that you can understand each and every module importance in CRM.
Okay.
And I personally feel my interaction with students should be live, because if you know something, you just tell. If not, I will give some inputs, because I never know you are in US, whether you are sleeping or you are concentrating on my demo. So here in middle, I will ask some questions. If you know, just let me know, because online trainings has pros and cons. If you get a bore, then I mean, just let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Or if I'm going out of the topic, if you want to stop, obviously you can. Fine. Coming back to the training part. First of all, let us take, you are a person, you are looking to purchase a Dell laptop or a laptop as a customer, a layman. In general, first I will explain you, then I will take you in CRM terminology. Then as a person, Vikram, what is your thought of how you proceed?
Yeah, you proceed as you are, I mean, whatever you are teaching me.
No, I mean to say, you are a person looking to purchase a laptop.
Okay.
Then in general, what exactly, how you proceed, how you try to purchase that product?
Yeah, I go to some outlets and I check the prices, what are the features, what are the model and what are the features of that model, and I will compare the prices with other outlets. If I am satisfied with the price and the features, then I go for buying.
Okay. In short, you just first understand what is your requirement. My requirement is laptop. Then how many service providers are there? Dell, Toshiba, IBM, or you have your own choice. Then if you initially thought of purchasing for Dell, then you will enter into Dell website. You will just see what are the laptops and what is your configuration, what you are expecting, and you will configure your own product, and you just save the details of your personal mail ID, contact number, and you will save, saying, I mean, you will, if there is some button is called call me back, then you can just check it and save that page. In short, your details are with Dell. Okay. Now Dell customer care from US, they will call you. This is a pre-sale activity. Okay, just understand. Initially, you will get a call from the pre-sale department. I mean, marketing department. Hey Vikram, I got some information from you saying you are looking for a laptop. Are you really looking for it? Here there are three scenarios. In first shot, you told, sorry, yesterday I was looking for it, but currently I purchased HP laptop. Then you are no more giving a business to Dell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In that first scenario, you will be treated as a cold lead and they will never call you back. In second scenario, let us take, they ask you, are you looking for a laptop? I mean, I understand you are looking for a laptop. Then you told, yes, I'm looking for a laptop. That might be Lenovo, might be Dell, but I much bother about the good deal. I mean, I want a good price out of it, irrespective of the brand. In that case, you are like a 50-50 chances are there, right? In that case, they will treat you as a warm lead. And in a final thing, if they ask you in final scenario, you told them, actually I'm very much concentrating on Dell laptop, as most of my friends, colleagues, they suggested me to go for Dell rather than any other laptop. In that case, you are very hot lead and you are much interested in only Dell laptop, not anything else. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, a lead is one of the business transaction in a CRM where these are the qualification levels like cold, warm, hot. Now, if you are a hot lead, then that it will be sent it to the sales departments. Now, whatever the thing I am just explaining you here, this will, I will come back and I will tell you in CRM terminology, this is a pre-sale activity. Okay.
Okay.
Here there are many chances, like you will get a blank mails or some mails from Dell afterwards. We have a good offer only for today. That is, you will receive a mail, or if you give your mobile number, SMS. All these are nothing but they run some mail campaigns or SMS campaigns. Bulk emails they will send. They will send it to all the customers who are interested. This is a part of pre-sale activity. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Then now you are a very prospective customer. Here you will be treated as a prospect. You are not a customer. You did not pay any amount.
Okay.
You just had an interaction. Then you are a prospect. Now,
Okay.
a sales executive of Dell. This is sales module. You will get a call from a person from a sales department saying, hey Vikram, I got some interesting details from you, saying one of my colleague, she told you are looking for a laptop to Dell. That's where I called you. In this case, you told them there are two scenarios. One, right now I'm not interested. Maybe in future, I already purchased one laptop. Chances are there. Maybe in this particular week you may purchase a new laptop or something else. In that case, they will reject this lead as a hot lead and they will send it to the pre-sales department once again. Marketing. That rarely happens. Chances are there. If not, in second scenario, you told them, yes, I'm looking for it. Basically, I would like to know much details about Dell Studio. Then he will tell, okay, fine, I am there to help you out. And he will create a quotation. What is a quotation? Any idea in general terminology? You must be listening to it.
Quotation, if you are asking some about some product, about the configuration and what is the price and how much quantity you are required, then they will give some quotation.
Yes, and before that they will just create an opportunity. Here what is an opportunity means there are some phases. Initially, first interaction with customer, then they will decision making phase, like that, 4 to 5 phases. And once the you are really looking for this laptop, then a final phase, closer phase, like that. Then accordingly, quotation, obviously you are correct, they will send a quotation saying Dell Studio consists of hard disk, RAM, 4 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk, next Core i3 processor, blah blah blah. This will cost you around rupees 49,000 after 5% discount, let us say.
Okay.
And let me know if something goes beyond your head.
Yeah.
This is a live example. I don't think so, but yeah. Now you got a quotation saying 49,000 in Indian rupees, but
Okay.
you are not satisfied. You told them, they again called you. Vikram, I already sent a quotation to your mail ID. Are you really, I mean, I would like to know the feedback on that. Then you told, I'm not at all satisfied with the quotation which you shared with me, because I got a quotation from Lenovo. They are giving all these features along with something extra, and they are just charging me 45K something. Then they will say, sorry to tell you, as a customer we can give you, general customer we can give you only 5%. Then you told them, see boss, I'm working for a reputed company, let us take an IBM, and I'm a corporate employee. Then in that case, he will say, yes, obviously for corporate employee we will be providing a better deal, 10% discount. Or he will tell, he will try as max as the discount. He will try to give maximum discount for you, as you are really keen in purchasing product, but you are looking for a good deal. Then he will go back and he will speak with sales manager saying, see, there is one customer called Vikram, he is really looking for it, but being a corporate employee, he want a corporate discount. And even if we give a good deal, there might be chances he can refer 2-3 of his friends. In that case, his sales manager says, fine, there is a Diwali festival in the next week, give some corporate offer along with the special discount, festival discount, and give something around 10 or 15% discount. Second quotation, he send it to you saying, after another 10% discount, let us take roughly 45K. Okay. Now you are very satisfied, saying you got a good deal, and along with that they are giving a bag extra. Bag. Clear? Now you are very much satisfied, and you told them, I would like to go for it. Now, after getting a mail confirmation or a confirmation over phone, because that is also recorded, obviously they will ask you to confirm through mail. Then if you say yes, then they will create a sales order. Once the sales order get created, afterwards this is a legal document, you can say. To say, once this is raised, you cannot say, I change my mind, I don't want to. Before this, they will just ask, are you okay with the quotation? If you say yes, if you confirm, then if you are ready to pay by using your credit card, they will tell you, I will connect to the, normally the call is routed through IVR, interactive voice response. They will connect to IVR. From there, they will ask you to enter the 3-digit number of your credit card. That is unique, and that will be safe also. Then he will route it to some other thing. Once you enter that 3-digit number, automatically the amount will be debited from your credit card, and it will be credited to Dell company. In short, you paid the amount. And till now, whatever we discussed, that is in CRM. Okay. Now, any logistic related activity, to say, the same sales order, it will be replicated back to ECC. And obviously, basing on this, delivery, PGA, post goods issue. That means packing of your particular product, your laptop, and because that should be packed, and it should be picked from some of the warehouse, and it should be couriered to you, right? That is, PGA, delivery, even a billing, nothing but the invoice, it will be raised and it will be send it to you. This is a backend SAP R3 or ECC. Are you getting me? Here SD module, sales and distribution, MM,
Yeah,
PP,
I'm getting.
all these modules are there in backend,
Yeah, I'm
FICO.
Okay.
Now coming back, billing is an optional thing you can do in CRM also.
Okay.
Only one place. It is not that you will, according to your wish, you do sometime in CRM, sometime in ECC. Initially, while implementing only, they will see what is the leading system. Accordingly, they will just define. Yes, whatever the thing is discussed till now, it is in sales module. Now, in short, one person he come to your place. He told this is your courier. Take your laptop, check it out. If you feel everything is fine, then you can sign here. Then you open the laptop. Here there are two scenarios. I mean, maybe something has happened. The screen is half broken. Then what you will say? I mean, what's how your reaction it would be? Vikram.
Okay, you have to call customer care. Customer care.
That's what I mean. You will
so
call
any service.
Right. You will call Dell and you will start shouting, see, something has happened. It is half broken. I am not responsible for it. You need to return a new laptop. Then they will say, sorry for the inconvenience caused. Obviously, yes, we are going to give a new laptop without charging anything within 48 hours. And we are extremely sorry for the inconvenience caused from our end. Then immediately they will take back, I mean, that it will be couriered back to the Dell, and again they will, within 48 hours, they will courier a new laptop, and again they will follow up, is that laptop is perfect, are you able to use it? I mean, it is like a complaint raised. That is in one scenario. In second scenario, I mean, nothing has happened, new laptop, you started using it, you just signed on the courier copy, and the guy he left, you are enjoying for about 2-3 months with the laptop. Then fortunately or unfortunately, it has it started giving some trouble, saying automatic shutdown after 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Then whom you will contact? Obviously Dell customer care. Then you just call them, you told them, see, I mean, I'm a precious customer, I got a new laptop within 3 months, it is starting giving trouble. Then they will route it to one of the technical department, saying our technical experts, they will assist you. They will ask what exactly the issue. If I switch on the laptop after 5 minutes, it is automatic, I mean, it's getting shut on. Then they will ask you to remove the battery, press the power button, and they will try to examine what exactly troubleshooting activities they will tell you.
Okay.
Then after 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes after the interaction with you, they come to know there might be a problem with your battery, which is under warranty, that it needs to be replaced. Here also two scenarios, let us take. If it is 3 months old, it will be under warranty. If it is more than 1 year or somewhere, it will be out of warranty, right? In short, they just created a complaint, and a complaint number they have given, saying apart from that complaint number, they just one of the service technician, he will call you saying I got some complaint saying 555555, and saying some problem with your laptop and a battery need to be replaced. Are you available tomorrow, Monday morning, 9 a.m. IST? If you say no, by 10 o'clock I will be available. Then they will create a appointment with you by 10 a.m. IST. Clear? At the same time, he will tell new product, it will be couriered to you, collect it. By the time I will come and I will solve that issue. Then by 10 o'clock, before 10, part it will be couriered. By 10, the executive, he will come and he will see what exactly the issue. He will do the troubleshooting. If he find the same battery need to be replaced, he will replace and he will ask you to check it out. This is one scenario. What is the warranty?
Warranty period.
Any idea what is warranty? What is guarantee?
Warranty is nothing but assurance, service assurance.
Sorry?
Warranty is nothing but a service assurance. When any problem with your product, they will give service. Guarantee means they will
system that you are going to learn as part of SAP. Yeah. Clear? Are you there? Vikram?
Yeah,
Vikram.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Fine. Whatever I shown, this is a GUI, graphical user interface. As a consultant, you will be working under this. You will be doing a configurations, nothing more than that. As a ABAPer, you might be using /OSC11, create a table, create a data type, domain, or create a program /NSC16, sorry, /NSC38. You are much aware of these things, right? Or /NSC80. As a consultant, you will be working only few of the transactions, but as a functional, you never create a programs. This is ABAP development workbench. As a consultant, technical consultant, you learn. Am I clear? What is the functional part? What is technical part? Vikram, are you with me? Are you with me? Vikram. Karthik, can you hear me? Yeah, Vikram. Hello. Karthik, Vikram, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, Venu.
Yes, I am there. Can you hear me?
Right.
Sometime back, I was. I think I couldn't able to hear you. Fine. Coming back, actually,
no, actually some audio.
Okay. Yeah. I can able to hear you. Till now, I have just shown you the GUI part, but I will just show you what is Web UI. Okay. Am I going a bit fast, or is that fine?
Yeah, this is
fine?
This is okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
the speed
fine.
is okay, right? Fine. Okay. Coming back,
Yeah.
actually there is one entry I need to maintain here. Then only I can able to use Web UI.
Okay.
Because that is a web application where it will work on internet. this is one-time activity.
Yeah. Yes.
I need to enter the host name.
Ah.
Actually, I need to give permission to this. 1 second. Just bear with me for a minute. I mean, if you also face the issue once you enroll with us, then the same settings you need to do. You need to give a proper permissions to this file. Okay, I have given a full control for it. Again, I'll just unshare my screen for a moment. 1 second. Let me maintain the details. /OCRM_UI. Okay, sharing my screen again. Just let me know once you're able to see my screen. Yeah, Vikram, can you see my screen?
Yeah, no, it's very good.
Yeah. Now I just
Yeah,
maintain
I
that
can see.
entry. Yeah, I just maintain that entry so that it is just a web browser where I'm using my Gmail. Apart from that, a new tab it is just added. It is trying to enter into SAP because now all the business
Okay.
users from latest modules from 6.0,
Okay.
7.0, they are using this web UI concept. Everything on web
Okay.
application. Just the prerequisite, you should
Okay.
have internet and you should have
Okay.
user ID and password for your SAP CRM system. Yeah, see, this is based on SAP
Okay.
NetWeaver platform. The same user ID which I used for. Just log on. Now, let us take according to your, I mean, if he is a sales executive, for him a separate business role it will be assigned as a sales sales professional. If he is a service technician, are you getting me? then for him only this business role it will be there. If he is a marketing professional, pre-sales activity guy,
Okay.
then for him only marketing professional where he can create a lead thing. If it is a sales professional, if you want to create a sales order quotation, he will enter with this business role and he will create accordingly. I mean to say sales executive is different, marketing executive is different, sales manager is different, service technician is different, territory manager is different. I mean to say each and every role has its own importance and their job function is different. Accordingly, only 1 or 2 business roles are assigned it to them. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, if you see, if you want to create a lead, whatever I told you initially, this is everything web-based. Want to create a new lead? Just click on here. I mean, some pop-up blocker is there because this is on web application. Now it will just give you pop-up. If something is blocking, then it will not display. Yeah. If you want to create a new lead, campaigns, or I told you, right, whatever I told, the same thing, lead, this is the standard. Being this is the first session, I am just trying to explain you what is what. I am not getting in depth. Otherwise, it will be like Greek and Latin for you.
Okay.
Clear? This is web application where all these based on your Java applications. But backend you need to do as a consultant. I mean, you need to do some configurations out of it.
Okay.
Okay. In short, I covered the web UI part, the demo part, not the whole thing. Till now, any query?
No.
No queries?
Yeah. Till now, no queries.
Yeah. Then coming back to the material or the thing I will just explain. Apart from that, if you have any queries, general queries, you can ask. Coming to the training part, I have each and every PPT ready because I am in the trainings. I mean, I'm into trainings almost 3 years. I'm into consulting almost 6 years, but I am into online trainings about 3 years.
Okay.
Okay. All the material, whatever the thing it is there, including the rough notes. I mean to say, you may get some doubt. Maybe you are teaching me about 1 hour, but maybe sometime I lose track of it, and I cannot able to grasp whatever you explain me. In that case, I prepared 1 notes where for each and every topic, the path, transaction code, each and everything it is listed it. This is when I taken one batch in one certification batch in Mumbai with Genovate. I just prepared it because sometimes when I get leaves, according to my thing, I do corporate trainings also with Wipro or some other companies.
Okay.
Okay, where I can understand if somebody is very new to SAP, then my job is to start with what is full form of SAP. From there, I need to take him. And after completion of my program, he should be in a position to crack either the interview perspective or either the certification perspective, or I mean, according to his requirement.
Okay.
Okay. For each and every topic, the whole thing, I have my own way of teaching. I will just try to simplify the topics. Each and everything for each and every module, everything with example, one live example. I will give some assignments. Even path is mentioned, everything it is there. Clear? That's all.
Is it base customization or what?
This is for base customization. Yes, this document is for base customization. In the same way, I do have for marketing, sales. Yeah.
Okay.
This will cover whole base customization. Apart from that, I do have for marketing, sales. This is for marketing. Some topics here and there. Okay. Now you tell me any queries. Do you have any further queries on it?
Can you explain sales in sales implementation project? As a consultant, what are his roles and responsibilities? From
Yes.
beginning
Now,
of day one.
from day one, actually, let us take you in India. You cannot call you are a sales a consultant here, because if you are in US, obviously, if you are working for one module, you will work for 3 to 4 years. You will become a master over there. But especially in India, you should learn each and everything. I mean to say, if you are involved in as a CRM consultant, they will give you 2-3 modules or 1 or 2 modules. They will ask you to implement if you are in implementation. Obviously, yes, there will be a helping hand from back end, but you will be facing the client. It depends. If it is a domestic client, the whole thing will differ. If it is a US client, now I am working as a middleware and web channel expert.
Okay.
But if it is an Indian client, then they will tell you are a consultant. If it is a marketing, sales, service, middleware, any issue, you need to take care. Whether you are approaching anyone, whatever the thing, that is your headache.
Okay.
They are paying you, and you need to give support. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If it is a sales module, actually the business blueprint. You know what is SAP methodology?
Yeah.
SAP follow SAP methodology, like project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live and support. Each and every phase initially in business blueprint, there is 2 things. One is as is, and second is to be. In as is, what exactly the business, everything it is maintained over there. If it is a to be, where after implementation of SAP CRM, how your business look like, how it will work. Each and everything it is mentioned in that particular document. Based on the document, we will start doing configuration in realization phase.
Okay.
Okay. In project preparation, in business blueprint, rarely you will get a chance to involve as a 3 to 4 years of experience. But once you are 6 to 7 years of experience, obviously yes. As a fresher, don't expect you will be directly involved in a business blueprint phase. You will be facing a client. I mean, you will be directly interacting with client. Senior people, they will take care, because this is the place where if you go somewhere wrong, then whole your project, it will be in ruin.
Okay.
Then in realization part, according to the document, we will just start doing configurations. First, they will create an opportunity document. In that, there are some profiles. Each and everything they will configure. If it is something quotation, because you already know a bit ABAP, that's where directly I'm entering into the system and I explain. If it is a sales, AG. They just copy this particular transaction, they create their own transaction, and they start doing configurations like text determination procedure, partner determination, status profile, organizational data profile, date profile, action profile. All this will come under your base customization. First they implement this, then accordingly the quotation, sales order, how many documents are required, what according to the business process, they initially defined everything in the document. Accordingly they start doing configuration.
Okay.
If you are in support project, your roles and responsibilities is totally different. If I go, I mean, now I am in support project, first I open my laptop, I will see in my inbox, is there any issues or is there any tickets? If not, then no need to open even my SAP system. Are you getting me?
Okay.
If there is any ticket, then I will enter into the system, I will try to see, I mean, we are using Solution Manager as a ticketing tool.
Okay.
There, tickets it will be assigned to, if it is middleware, I will be working on it. Actually, now I am working on deployments. Let us take a new country is rolling out for CRM. Then in that case, I will be involved. Support things means if any, let us take a particular status is not working, then they will create a ticket, and accordingly I will be working on that issue. First, I will check my Outlook. Accordingly, the issues are there, I will just check it out. If not, I will close it and I will go for a coffee and I will come back. If there is an issue, I will work on it.
Okay.
Because the roles and responsibility comparing with your implementation is different, support is different, rollout is different. It depends.
Yeah.
Any more queries?
Oh no.
Then I'm done from my end. If you do not have any queries, then you can contact Max Online
Okay.
intern. I mean, once whatever the procedure is there, once it is done, then
But
accordingly.
one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing.
Yeah,
Actually, you didn't explain what is the responsibilities in implementation project, sales implementation project.
Yes, that's what. In implementation project, if you are in a realization phase, you will be handed over this business blueprint document. In that,
Okay.
what exactly
that
need to
will
be
be
done?
handled by 6 years
Sorry?
guy, 6 years or more than 6
No,
years
no.
consultant.
If you are around 5 to 6 years of experience, then you will be involved from first phase of the project preparation, business blueprint in that phase also.
Okay.
If not, they will be involved, senior people, and they will prepare the document accordingly. You need to do the configuration part. I mean,
Okay.
you might be involving in from third phase, realization phase, where exactly the configuration will start.
Okay.
Why means, if you are giving some solution, you should know in and out about the company, and you should have a good sales experience or the business experience, right? Domain experience. Then you can easily understand. You cannot give some false commitment to the customer or wrong solution.
Yeah, correct.
Once the relation phase starts, the configuration I told you, quotation, creation, all the profiles, and accordingly each and every module it will be start implementing, marketing, sales, service.
Okay.
Okay, in each and every module the topics are there. I will be sharing the course curriculum to Max Online intern you will get. It will be in an Excel sheet so that we can track how many topics are there, what is the status of each and everything. Accordingly we can proceed.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
mine is like weekdays. If it is a weekday lecture, it will be 1 hour. And if I find some time, I mean, if I am spending some time in the weekend, then that will be 2 hour session.
Okay.
Right now, recently, 2 days before, I started one batch. There are two from US. One is from Canada, and some other person is there. They are just joining. And if you want, you would like to, then I mean, once I get a confirmation from Max Online, then I can include you in that. They are also looking for a job in US right now.
Okay, fine. Can I have your contact number?
I cannot give you my contact number directly because you are routed through Max Online.
Okay.
You will be interacting with them, and they will be acting as a mediators. And once you enroll with them, obviously yes, if you have any queries, you can contact me on my mail ID, or if you want my contact numbers, obviously I can give it to you.
Okay.
Karthik, are you there?
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Karthik or someone from Max Online.
Fine.
Yeah. I'm done with it. Yeah, you can contact them accordingly. You can give a feedback, and hopefully you will be enrolling with the same batch.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is the complete course duration?
It will be like around 45 hours. I mean 45 days. If it is a daily 1 hour, it depends really. If it is a weekends, I am spending some extra time.
Okay.
Then here and there. Obviously 45 to 50 hours.
See, how many hours it will take for base customization?
That's what I will send you. Send Excel sheet.
Okay.
Where the course details and even the hours it is mentioned in that.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Okay then.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay then.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for your patience. Bye.